All right, I'm gonna send a new link out. That was my bad, y'all. Give me 1 second. I had to drop the new link in the channel. Oil is doing what I wanted to see it do. So we might be jumping in on this soon, but let me go ahead and resend this link out. My bad, y'all. Bam. All right, bam. New link sent. All right, we're back to business. My fault, y'all. Let's get back to it. So we're floating at TP2 right now. I'm going to see if we can hit some more TPs. GN, I'm about to pull up all my other charts. GN's about to hit TP2 as well. So far we are 2 for 2. About to pull up my other charts though. As y'all can tell, I didn't do what I said I was supposed to do, which was restart my computer like every other day or every day. So my computer decided to do it for me. But we're back to business. So right now I'm just pulling up all my charts back up. That's what I'm doing right now. That's not the one. Which one was I using? Here it is. Yeah, so we're tracing back up, which is fine. So yeah, we're going to see if we can get the best ideal entry, which is right here anyways. So let me fix this up. Bam. I really like that risk to reward. I might make the stop loss a little tighter. I think this would be good right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that do its thing. What else was he looking at? Let's go back to oil. Yeah, so we might be jumping in oil the next 15 because it looks like it's ready to try to pump back up, which is what I was waiting on. We're right back to where we're at the last 15 on GN. Let me pull up these other pairs I was looking at. Yeah, my bad for that, though, y'all. My bad for that, though, y'all. But we're back to it. We're back to it. So, like I said, I'm going to be waiting on Euro USD. I don't want to enter a sell on this yet. So I'm just going to wait on that to see if it can creep back up later on during New York. Yeah, but we're going to be just chilling in these trades right now. Y'all should be nice and blue on your screens. NJ still pumping. We're about to see if we can hit TP2. We're about 3 pips away. And then looking at GN, same thing. Up, we might hit it right here. We're about to hit it. We're about 1 pip away. We're 1 pip away. All right, TP2 just got hit. So we're getting straight into it, y'all. We're getting straight into it. All right, let's see what NJ's up to. Yeah, so we're about 2 pips away from NJ as well. Let's not forget about oil. All right, so I just did a nice retracement. Yeah, so I'm going to wait for the next 15. But yeah, that's what I was waiting on. So we might be jumping in on this, this next 15. Yeah, so I'm gonna write up oil because I do like how oil's looking. GN, we just hit TP2. I mean TP3 on that. And we just hit TP3 on NJ. Come on. We're literally right there. We barely missed it. Let me see. We're like 1 pip away. All right, new 15. We just hit it. So we just hit TP3. And now we're about to look at oil because I do like how oil's looking. 305. So I'm about to adjust this really quick. And then we're about to go on oil and see what oil's looking like. I do like how oil's looking. All right. So it's still kind of chilling on this level. But I do like how it is looking. It does have some traffic to the left that is struggling to break. It does have some traffic to the left. But I see it going up more than I see it going down, to be honest. If I'm being honest, I see it going up more than I see it going down. On the bigger time frames, it's just struggling to break through this level right here at the moment. But I do like it for more of a buy setup than a sell setup. Yeah, I do like that for buy. So I'm gonna put this on my other screen. I'm gonna keep an eye on this on my other screen because it's retracing some more. But we might be jumping into this still because I still like how it's looking. So I'm just gonna put that on my other screen so I can look at these other pairs and see how they're doing. So we just hit the next TP on GN. Excuse me. So let me adjust this. All right. So we got a nice little staircase going. Got a nice little staircase. And out of curiosity, let me see what these other pairs are up to, because we saw CJ was dumping. So let's see if it's still dumping. Yeah, so it's still dropping, which is interesting. But we're going to leave that alone until it comes to that level. Then we may mess with it. But for now, we're just going to be chilling in these two trades right here. And that's what we're going to be doing for now. We're just going to be chilling in these two trades. I'm still watching oil on my other screen. Got a nice little push up right here. Yeah, so these are some nice trades going on. And let's just go back to UC. Yeah, so after hit the middle of the zone, that thing rejected that level harshly. So if y'all didn't get wicked out, like I always say, hold to SLRTP. But usually when price is ranging like this and struggling to hit TPs, I usually don't like to hold it for too long. I'll just get wicked out, look for a re-entry, stuff like that, or just close. Main reason for that is kind of just like, excuse me, I've been talking and recording a lot of stuff. Speaking of which, I did just drop a video, a trade breakdown of this huge trade that I called New Zealand 80 CAD that I called earlier this week. I think it was like yesterday or on Wednesday's live, one of the two. We're about to find out right here. It was Wednesday's live. I don't know why this is here. Boom. I just broke down this play. This was about a 200 pip move that we caught in a day. I'm about to drop the link to that in a second. But I did just drop this yesterday afternoon. Broke down why we even took the trade and how you can catch similar moves and trades like this. This was a good 1 to 4 risk to reward. Well, if we go up to here, probably that's still 1 to 4. I didn't hold this long. I kind of closed after retraced right here. So I'm not in this trade anymore. That's why I left it right here. But it was a 1 to 4 risk to reward. So basically, if you risk $50, you made $200. If you risk $100, you made $400. That's basically how the risk to reward works. But I'm gonna drop that link in a second. But we just hit another TP on NJ. Just hit another TP on NJ. TP4 just got hit. Make sure to hit that like button and to subscribe, y'all. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Literally, but this is part 2 of this morning stream. But literally, just hopped out of bed, started the stream, and we're getting straight to it. We're getting straight to it. Getting straight to it. GN trying to work for us too. Oil's still kind of ranging. So again, I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I want to see if it's going to do a repeat of this. It's respecting that level still, so I might call it right now because it's right back at this entry right here. I do like how it's looking. I'm not gonna lie. Hmm. Hmm. The reason why I'm quiet is I was typing this up just in case we enter this. Sorry, I got it written up. It looks like it's kind of doing a repeat of the last 15. So I do like how this is looking. Do like how it's looking. So let me do something real quick though. I'm gonna drop that link in a second. I just want to do something really quick. We are climbing up an imbalance on oil, which is probably why it's struggling to climb up. That's what I'm gonna do right there. Yeah, so I like how this is looking right here. Barely missed the next TP. GN's doing a retracement as well. Still watching oil. Trade 30 didn't retrace as high as I wanted to see it retrace. I want to see if it'll retrace higher. We'll see though. I do kind of like how Jerk 30 is looking too though. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep an eye on these pairs. We're only gonna be chilling in these right now. I like how oil's looking though. So we're gonna see what the next 15 looks like on oil. USD pairs are dropping. Yeah, so let me go ahead and drop that link for y'all by dropping in the comment section. Appreciate the likes. Appreciate the likes. Give me 1 second. Here it is. Screen is blurry. Let me see. Cause I just pulled it up on my screen. Let me see. It looks clearer on. It looks clear now. So what I'd say is, if it's still looking blurry, just close and reopen the app and see if that fixes it. Because I'm on it on my phone right now, and it's looking pretty fine to me on my phone right now. So that's why I'd say just reopen it and see if that works. All right, Adrian or Darren. All right, you said it looks good for me. Okay, cool. Yeah, sometimes it's just a signal when the stream first starts. It might act a little buggy. So, just always just close and reopen and see if that does anything. We're about to hit this next TP though. So let me go ahead and drop this link for y'all. All right, make sure to like this video and check it out. It's quick and to the point, just like all my other videos. Just talking and rambling. We get straight to business. And most importantly, it's very simple. Trading doesn't need to be complicated at all. Trading is very simple. Yes, I like this. So yeah, we're probably gonna jump in on this. This next candlestick. And we just hit the next TP. So we just hit TP5, y'all. $3.15. Yeah, so the next candlestick, do not be surprised if we see a retracement. We've had literally an hour of green candlesticks, and we did hit the middle of the zone. My members and students know what the middle of the zone means, but do not be surprised if the next 15 we see a retracement. Doesn't mean it might not continue to pump up, but price isn't just going to keep going in one direction. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, but I do like how this is looking right here. Yeah, I like how this is looking. So I'm going to enter this. I'm going to let this ride out. So I just posted the TPs for oil. We're going to let this ride out. There could be a slight retracement either at the middle of the zone or at this wall right here. But I do see us at least climbing to hunt out and hit this liquidity. So that's what we're going to aim for. Then we're going to change the color on this one so we don't get confused. Then we're going to do this. Then we're going to do that. I'm only in 3 trades right now. I'm going to see how these trades do. GN, looks like we're about to hit the next TP on GN. Look at that. Don't get camera shot on me now. We're about 1 pip away. Half a pip. All right, we just hit the next TP on GN. So far we're 2 for 2. We just entered oil as well. So that was TP4. We just got hit on GN. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And if this is your first time on the channel, hit that bell and also hit that first link in the description to join the free signal room, free Telegram, so you don't miss out on any trades that we enter during the live or later on during New York session. First link in the description. And if you're interested in joining the advanced play signal room, click that second or third link in the description. Yeah, but we're getting to it, y'all. We're getting to it. We're getting to it. And we see right here, we see a slight flicker of red. So we might see retracement or price might continue to pump up. We'll see, but we do see a red candlestick. So again, do not be surprised if price retraces some. So if you're happy with your profits, by all means close, secure profits, take partials, whatever y'all do. But do not let the screen turn red, all right? Do not let your screen turn red off either one of these trades. We've hit multiple TPs. Y'all should be nice and blue in both these trades, so do not let your screens turn red. So we're going to let this ride out. We got a decent stop loss. We're going to see if we can hit some TPs and what New York sessions got for us. But I do like how this is looking here. So we're just going to let this ride out and see what it can do. We do got this imbalance here, but it's already hit the 50 and did a retracement. So I want to see if we can finish filling it up or hit the middle of the zone minimum. So we're going to let this ride out and see what it does. And then we're going to go from there. But I think that's the only pairs we're going to jump into. I was supposed to be looking at GBPJPY. I just don't like the risk reward. I'm super picky with risk rewards. Like this, we could be up right now if we enter this. But I don't know. Like when I miss my entry, it's rare that I'll enter late. Like sometimes I will, but I don't know. I'm just super picky with my entries nowadays. So it is what it is. We're going to see where there will be another opportunity to enter a sell setup on that. So I'm not tripping too much. I'm not tripping too much about it. Now the question is, which one of these was I using? Wasn't this one? Was it this one? Might be this one. Could be this one too. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out which one I was using. But we're a couple pips away from hitting the next TP on NJ. So NJ's just been doing us justice. This small little retest to that level, but yeah, it's still pumping up, which is fine with us. We just hit the next TP. So since this is pumping up, I kind of brain farted. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, and I kind of do this a lot. I'll tunnel vision on the trades I'm in, which isn't a terrible thing. But we're not too late to the party, so we're going to. We could jump into this as well. We could jump into this as well. I do like how this is looking, especially since NJ's going crazy. So we just hit the next TP on that. Let me go ahead and let the people know TP6 just did get hit. Yeah, so we're nice and blue on this trade. Nice and blue on this trade. Since that's pumping up, I want to jump on a Euro JPY as well. Yeah, if we entered out that 4 hour low, I messed up with those because we would have been up a crazy amount. If we jumped in when I had this marked off here, we'd be up 90 pips, but it's all good. So I do like how this is looking. So we might jump into EJ as well. Oh, so now oil wants to do the retracement down to the zone. I'm not tripping though. Still going to hold to SRTP. So now I'm just looking at some other pairs. But I think these are the only trades I'm going to go into. Might enter EJ. But I probably am going to wait for the next 15 before I determine or decide if I want to enter EJ or not. Yeah, but so far we're 2 for 2. Oil is still doing its thing. It's doing the retracement. And it's crazy because this is just another example. I was waiting for that retracement, but I thought it was going to be. Then sure enough, since we enter, now it's to do the full retracement. But it's still fine because we still have this daily zone here and, of course, stop loss, which is why it's important to properly calculate your lot size and hold to SL or TP gets hit. I had some people hit me up yesterday, and this is not calling nobody out. It's just a good example of USDCHF. They're asking if we're still holding because we were on drawdown literally all day yesterday until like I think New York or something. And I was like, yeah, I'm still holding. And, you know, sure enough, we hit like TP4. Yeah, retraced harshly, but, you know, still had multiple opportunities to close that trade blue and secure some profits. And then on top of that, both of these trades you should be deep blue in profit. So oil shouldn't be affecting y'all too much anyways. But we're going to let that play out. May enter EJ. Might enter EJ. Kind of like how that's looking as well. Yeah, but I'm gonna wait for the next 15 before I make that decision. Yeah, but pretty good stream. We got a good amount of pips in an hour. And I like to do these streams just to show y'all, like, literally. Let me make sure I'm not missing out on any comments or anything. But, literally, this is what I do. Like, set the alarm, wake up, hop out the bed, get on the computer, start the stream, and get straight to it. What does the middle of the zone mean? Oh, yeah, so it worked? Okay, yeah. So, yeah, Smith, yeah, just do that. And that should do like with most streams, but especially this because I know there's like candlesticks and stuff like that. So, yeah, if it ever is blurry, just restart it, and it should fix. And then, Diana, I see your comment. You said, what does the middle of the zone mean? That, it means when we hit the middle of the zone, basically, it's another key level that I identify, and it'll either reject or break through that level. That's basically what that means. And I teach my members and students how to identify those levels and also how to trade off those levels. But that's basically what the middle of the zone means. It's a little bit deeper than that, but that's like a quick summary and gist of what the middle of the zone means. Speaking of which, everything is currently on sale. We're 2 pips away from hitting the final TP on NJ. But if you are interested in either joining the advanced play sitting room, getting notified every time I enter a trade, as well as before New York, getting a video of breaking down all the trades we're currently in, levels of price that we can see price hit, or levels of price to look out for, which includes the middle of the zones, and also possible setups going into New York. Make sure to click those links in the description. Everything is on sale. Also do one-on-one mentorships. You get 2-hour sessions with me weekly, so that's 2 every week on your time, your schedule. They're recorded and sent to you same day. You also have access to the advanced play sitting room with the one-on-one session package. Then, of course, I did just drop my course this month. Make sure to check that out. It's not just about Forex, though. Obviously, I go over how to trade Forex and how to be successful in Forex, but this strategy isn't just for Forex. This strategy is how to read candlesticks in general. All right, this strategy works on, as you see, currency pairs, works on options, stocks, works on indices. Yesterday we called this NAS trade live, caught like 15,000 pips on this trade. I say that like I don't have to pull it back up. So let me pull it back up. It wants to pull up for me. Now I got to figure out which one I was using. Yeah, it was this one right here. So caught this move live. So this works on everything. Also works on crypto. Well, let me pull up a crypto chart really quick. And speaking of which, I talked about this last month, but it is still happening. I've just been busy. But I am going to be starting the crypto channel. I already made the channel. I just haven't been on it and active yet. But the strategy works on crypto as well. You see how prices reacting to these levels the same way. So you can literally use this for long-term investments, short-term investments, trading Forex, obviously. And it works on every time frame. Works on literally every time frame. And we're about to, and we just hit another TP. I got a question. How do you determine your daily levels? Is it the previous higher high or lower low reversal? Shawn, I got you. You DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna DM you back. I got you. I'm gonna break that down for you because you remember I got you. But we just hit the final TP on NJ. Yeah, I got you, Shawn. Don't worry, I got you. All TPs hit. Move that selling profit or close. So a great start to the morning. Great start to the morning. I think we just hit another TP on GN as well. So let me check that out. And I totally brain farted and didn't enter this on my personal account. Only enter this on my funded. But that happens. It's all good. Would have been nice to enter though. 9199. Then what was the last TP? TP4. TP5 is 9200. Okay, so we did hit TP5. All right, bam. 9195. Cool. Let me make sure I'm caught up to the comments before I hop off here. All right, bet. All right, I'm gonna see y'all next week, Monday through Friday, 3 a.m. EST. We'll be trading London session. Might drop another video this weekend. I might drop another trade breakdown and then another just trading tip video, trading psychology video. So be on the lookout for that. I want to see what this next 15 looks like because I may or may not enter EJ. Let's pull back NAS up because NAS did do a nice drop. Not this one. This one. Someone keep an eye on that. Let me see. Yeah, I forgot to pull all these charts back up. Yes, I'm gonna do this when I get off the stream. But again, all TVs got hit. We have this wall of price right here. Do not let the screen turn red, and obviously do not let this retrace all the way back to your entry. Do not let that happen. So we can still see a little bit more wiggle room price pushing up. To the extreme, we can see it hit 83.40, 83.50. But again, it might retrace beforehand because this has been literally an hour of price just rising up in our favor. But retracements are bound to happen. GN, we've been seeing nice even level retracements. So this one's kind of moving smoothly. But same thing. Just keep on your charts. I'm never going to tell someone to keep holding a trade. It's up to you. But yeah, I hope I helped y'all out and helped y'all end the week on a good note. I know there's still plenty of time, like New York session and stuff. But yeah, off to a great start. And I'm going to see y'all in tomorrow's, well, not tomorrow. Today's Friday, duh. I'm going to see y'all Monday.